Welcome to Gossamer, the coordination platform where work moves forward without the noise. Over the next few minutes, you'll see how Gossamer helps teams launch, participate in, and complete thread-based work streams with clarity and speed. A quick note before we jump in. For the purpose of simplicity in the demo, I will be walking you through the full workflow from a single perspective. In real life, the person creating the thread and the people contributing input to the thread would be different. Indeed, most threads would have several participants, but for this demo, I will appear to operate both roles. This is the Gossamer dashboard, a clear view of every active and completed thread. Each thread represents a focused workflow, not another endless chat. To start, we'll open Homer, Gossamer's guided thread creator. Homer helps you launch a thread in seconds by capturing the thread's criteria, the decision to be made or consensus to be reached, who must be involved, and time to resolution. Soon, Homer will also connect directly to the tools you already use, creating threads instantly from webhooks, screen grabs, and other multimodal signals, so coordination can begin the moment context appears.
How would you like to structure the thread? Parallel, sequential, or hierarchical? This will help us organize the contributions effectively.
I think parallel should work for this thread. As you can see, Homer also has voice capabilities, text-to-speech and speech-to-text, which you can freely toggle on and off for a hand-free experience. In just a few clicks, the thread is live, with the right participants, steps, and timeline set up automatically. You can edit any of these as you see fit before proceeding to launch the thread. Back in the dashboard, the new thread is visible alongside others. Here, you'll be able to see both overview and detail on the thread, including its current step, participants yet to go, and when the thread is due and likely to be complete. Gossamer meets your team where they already work. Invitations appear directly in email and calendar, so no one misses a beat. Note that the participation block is automatically scheduled for a time the user has designated. The scheduler agent considers the SLA urgency level and participants' calendar when adding blocks. When it's time for a user to participate, Charlotte, Gossamer's conversational agent, guides the discussion. Clear prompts replace messy threads, so each response is purposeful. She will dig as deep as necessary to get the total context required. Even still, most sessions will be complete in under 5 minutes, all while maintaining nuance, completeness, and clarity.
Of course, please feel free to share any additional thoughts or insights you have.
I just want to highlight that the flexibility could also make it easier to onboard future customers with unique requirements. Like Homer, Charlotte is voice-enabled, allowing for hands-free inputs and outputs. Also like Homer, Charlotte will be able to pull in multimodal context in the near future, allowing for enterprise search-supported cross-referencing and alignment. Once responses are in, the thread is complete, moving from active to done. Progress feels tangible, not endless. Finally, Gossamer delivers a synthesis, a clear, structured output that captures decisions and next steps. No need to piece together scattered notes. In the near future, just as Homer will launch threads directly from multimodal input and webhooks, the framework will push action items and outputs directly to where your teams conduct their deep work, allowing for seamless, prioritized, linear action. With Gossamer, every thread starts with clarity, engages the right people, and ends with a concrete outcome. Your best people are non-disruptively looped into any workflow. Faster decisions, less noise, more confidence. Gossamer. Coordination without the chaos.